The 2018 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, compass, clock, trip computer, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, day and night rear view mirror, tachometer, brake assist, body color door handles, front license plate bracket, tinted glass, steering wheel controls. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.